Oaf Muncher on the mic. I'm riding my bike. I'm taking a hike. I met a guy named Mike. Oaf Muncher's on the beat. I'm gripping my feet. I'm making some heat. I'm growing some wheat. Yeah, huh? Why did you call me? I'm not trying to go. Why did you call me? I'm not trying to.
Let's stop the screaming, alright?
Maybe something.
Stop the screaming.
Oh,